This morning, we got new evidence that was released during the pretrial hearing of accused CEO killer Luigi Mangione yesterday.
That's right. It comes as the officer who searched his bag during his arrest in Pennsylvania took the stand. It was pretty dramatic when that happened. Let's check in with Good Day's Briella Tomassetti. She joins us now with the very latest. Briella, good morning.
Good morning, Dan and Tashani. It was the fourth day of Luigi Mangione's pretrial hearing, and we heard from Christy Wasser, a 19-year veteran of the Altoona Police Department, who testified about finding a loaded gun magazine wrapped in a pair of underwear. Upon searching his backpack, prosecutors unveiled more evidence said to be tied to the killing. Mangione entered the courtroom wearing a dark gray suit over a blue dress shirt. After being unable to attend court on Friday due to illness, he appeared to be in better health and spirits, pumping his fist for photographers and chatting with his lawyers as testimony resumed. Wasser took the stand, saying she responded to a call last December regarding a suspicious person at McDonald's. Body camera video was played in court that captured her searching through Mangione's backpack. The footage shows Wasser pulling out a cell phone, passport, and magazine with bullets, which was wrapped in wet underwear. Another officer could be heard in the background saying, "It's him, dude. It's him 100%. Wasser said she thought there might be a bomb in the backpack, which is why she searched it. She also admitted that one of her supervisors said it was okay since Mangione was already under arrest for a fake ID, but another supervisor suggested getting a warrant. Wasser also found a loaded handgun, a silencer, and red notebook, which she called a manifesto in court. But that's not all. She recovered some of Mangione's notes, including one reminding him to buy black shoes because shoes with white stripes were too distinctive, and to take a bus to Penn Station, including a sketch of the tracks with a map of which way the train goes. Another note had a checklist saying to check Pittsburgh red eyes to Columbus or Cincinnati, to keep momentum because the FBI works slower overnight, and to avoid cameras at all costs. Criminal defense attorney Peter Frankel is not involved with this case, but he has been in the courtroom for testimony.
I think that in conjunction with the prosecution keeps pounding home the point that it was a search incident to a lawful arrest based on the giving of the false name and the fake ID. So they're really trying to give the court a lot to work with, a lot of reasons to find that the search was okay. But Pennsylvania law is not the same as New York law, and the defense is going to hold fast to their position that they should have gotten a warrant to go into this closed container or closed knapsack.
Mangione's defense team argues the evidence shouldn't be admissible at trial because police didn't have a warrant and couldn't justify a search without one. Blair County 1st District Attorney Nicole Smith said she approved a search warrant, that is after the initial arrest, that was meant to authorize continued seizure of Mangione's items and the transferring of evidence to the NYPD. Dan and Tashani, back to you.
All right, Briella, thank you.